Alright, so now I got another unboxing video for you. Been waiting for this for a while, so I'm glad it came. Now, a little bit of a backstory. When I moved in here, February 1st, the shower was broken, right? Like, the shower works and everything, it's just the little peg on the wall where the shower head hooks on was snapped off and couldn't find it, couldn't see it anywhere. Told the maintenance guy about it. He's like, well, I'll try and find that piece for you. So every time I saw him, he's like, nope, can't find it, can't find it, can't find it. So I finally gave up waiting, right? And I went and I ordered a new shower head from Temu. Figured, whatever, it was cheap and everything. So here it is. Alright, this is the shower part, obviously. So let's see here. Oh yeah, and it's adjustable, which is cool. Alright, it's got a little spinny thing here to adjust the nozzle strength, I guess. I think that's what you would call it. Now, this part here is the part that the maintenance guy couldn't find, right? So I figured, okay, I'll get a new one. This one here sticks onto the wall. Right, so I don't have to screw any more holes or anything into it. You just peel off the backing and stick it to the wall. Yeah, I'll do that later. And yeah, that'll be in my vlog tomorrow. Yeah, because my vlog is going to be all about the new shower. New shower head, whatever. So yeah, so this head is going to completely replace the one that I have, hopefully. And hopefully it works better because, it is leaking a little bit. But, that's to be expected with these old buildings and stuff. So I figure, hey, why not just get the whole brand new thing instead of just getting one little piece, right? And this way it's guaranteed that everything will fit. So here's the nozzle thing, and it's, wow, it's actually really flexible. I like that. I like that. It's more flexible than the one that I currently have. So there you go. And I guess this goes into the bottom part. This goes into the shower head, or it could be the other way around. Doesn't really matter, I guess. But, I think it would look better if it was like that. I don't know. I guess it all depends on your personal preference, right? Because these are the two end pieces, right? Which one would you choose to go into, go into the shower or go into the shower head? This one, I think, should go into, like, where it comes, where the water comes out, or comes in, right, from the tap. There you go. Tap or shower head. So this one should go where the tap comes in. This one should go into the shower head. That's just my personal preference. What's yours, right? I guess that's all what that boils down to. But anyway, yeah. So that's it right there. Plus I got something for Randy, but I'm not going to put that in this video because I'm going to save that as a surprise for him for the next time I see him. Let's see here. Oh, and we got instructions. Blah, blah, blah. User manual. I think I know how to take a shower. I think so. I'm not sure yet. No. What does it say? Wow, it's so small. Wow. The translation from Chinese to English is so amazing sometimes. I gotta take my glasses off to read that. Let's see, precautions for use. When the suspension of the water flow and then turn on the switch, remember not to use directly against the skin. You need to wait 20 seconds to confirm that the water temperature is appropriate to use. Taus. Adjust the water temperature. Should be careful to avoid scalding. To maintain the appropriate water pressure, too high water pressure may damage the shower head or cause uneven distribution of the nozzle. Product inspection. Unpack and inspect the shower head for any damage or bending. Check accessories such as nozzles, hand sprays, hoses, and faucets for completeness and integrity. The outlet position should not be less than 0.5 centimeters above the tile surface. Use a padded cloth to secure the screw cap to avoid scratching the surface. Before starting, turn off the main water supply system. Do not dismantle the main unit. It has been correctly installed and tested before leaving the factory. To prevent faucet blockage, flush the water pipes before installation. After installation, ensure each joint is securely sealed, no leakage. Ensure correct connection of hot and cold inlet pipes when facing the front. The hot water pipes should be connected to the left side and cold water pipes. Yeah. It is recommended to have a professional plumber install this product. Why? You just screw it in where the other one was. How hard is that? Cleaning and maintenance. To maintain the cleanliness of and gloss of the product, follow these instructions. Rinse with clean water and dry with soft cloth. Do not use any detergents, polishers, sanitary cloths, or scrapers. Do not use acidic detergents. Okay. Yeah. See if you can read that. Probably not. Wow. Yeah, it's like super small, and I don't know, like I said, Chinese to English translation is never the best. But anyway, that's my Temu unboxing video for today. And watch this channel, because in tomorrow's vlog I'm going to be setting that up.